What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. We are on our way now on our second vacation. The first one, as you probably seen if you are subscribed, we went camping with the camper. Now we're doing a hotel 4-night stay, going to different spots. So probably make a couple videos out of it. A little bit of fun, have a great time. So before I get into this video, if you're new and you like this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button too. And if you have any comments, don't forget, put them down below in the comment section. But with that said, let's get into this video. Hey,
What?
are you excited about this trip?
Yeah, no. I am.
What about you? Are you excited about this trip?
Because I do like to slip. Oh,
Oh. And what about you? Are you excited about this trip?
he's like, what? Like, silly.
And I'm excited about this trip. We just stopped at McDonald's for breakfast. We are gonna get some breakfast. And we all need to use the washroom because, you know,
Me too.
can't drive 3 hours without having to pee.
Oh, yeah, I can't hold it. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm getting your shoe. So anyways, let's go and get something to eat, and then we'll keep heading her down the road. Alright, so we're back on the road, folks, and everybody had a little something to eat at McDonald's, and wifey is happy. Look, happy. The kids back there, they're back to being quiet. They're not cranky anymore. They got some food, right? It's like that commercial for Kit Kat, you know, you just gotta feed them the Kit Kat. You're not yourself when you're hungry. Is it Kit Kat or? Mars, there you go, yeah, my mistake, Mars. You're not yourself when you're hungry. Anyways, so there you go. We're gonna head to Calgary here, and we'll see you when we get to the barnyard. Alright folks, so we made it in. We're just gonna look at this huge map they got here and find out where we are at. Where are we at?
So I want to go to, not that.
Where are we?
Hey, look. Okay, so see this
I
slide?
guess we're right here. We're right here, are we?
So, Daddy, look at that slide. Do you see any
Almost.
slide around here?
I don't know. I just want to go to them washrooms. Alright,
Okay, let's go to the big slide.
so I see the tube slide right here.
Yeah.
So what's over here?
So, no, the big slide's over there.
Oh, right there. Okay, so that's that. Okay. So yeah, we are right here. Administrations. Right there. So we're right here right now. Alright folks, so we're at the first part of the tour, and here you have it. Playground, my favorite spot to sit and watch my kids have fun while I do absolutely nothing. Oh, and I got him on my back at the same time, so there you have it. But hey, it's all about making them happy, right? If they're happy, then everything is good. But I'm got my eyeball on that old truck there. Looks pretty good. I've seen some other things up further up back there too that I want to check out. We'll get there. We'll get there. But let them play for a sec here, and then they'll realize how much more fun there is besides the playground, and then we'll go to that. Well, we just wanted to look at it so we get a closer look. That's a Chevy 1500. I'm sure this is probably a 69 or something. Still got the seats in her. It doesn't look too bad. Huh? Good fixer-upper. Wouldn't surprise me if they use this for stuff sometimes, just around here. She don't look that bad though. The two of you, I think you're done.
How did Caden go?
Did you have fun? Was that fun?
No.
No? What about you, Caden?
Oh, yeah,
Hey?
I see you smiling.
Did you have fun?
I'll do it again.
You want to do it again? Maybe after.
Okay. Now can we go swing on those monkey bars?
Okay.
Sounds like fun. I need help too. I need help. I don't need help. Mommy, gotta see how it's just...
You gotta swing. Good job. Now swing to this one.
Oh, I need help with that. Hold on, Kathleen.
I think that's a spider web.
Mommy.
Huh? Okay, which one? This one here?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Get it. Get it. Okay.
You have to swing.
Oh!
I'll take the duck.
Swing. And then swing as far as you can.
Right, you're in the pool now. Oh, enjoying the light. Huh? Enjoying the light. Got the kids over there. Wife and the baby over there. Okay. Looking good, looking good. We're gonna head down the slide in a minute. But before we do that, let's go a little underwater. Wow. Did they come down yet or no?
Hey, Daddy, why that juice go down there?
What's going on up there?
Hey, Daddy, why don't you go down there?
Yeah.
Go down it, go down it. Let's go down, Daddy.
Alright, I think it's time to go down the slide, folks. Let's go down the slide. Up this slide we go. Alright, here we go, folks. Oh, frozen!
Yeah!
Go over there, Mom. Come on, Keegan! Woohoo! Woo!
Oh, yeah! Crazy! Oh, yeah! Good. Yeah, that was pretty cool. 3, 2, 1. Dad, we're going down. For real. This slide you see is all big. It's all It was M&T.
Are you trying to get it?
Daddy?
What was that?
Daddy?
Huh?
What's the camera? Should I be swimming?
Yeah? What?
Can you?
Yeah. Oh, okay. You want me to go underwater with it?
Careful, let me get under.
Huh? There we go, folks. What? Whoa! Was he funny?
Yeah.
Hey, where you going? Okay. What? Are you guys done? Okay. Alright guys, we just made it back to the hotel room. Everybody's getting changed. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, give it that like. Help me out. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.